It is with jelly rolls. These are from Sakura, and these are wonderful, wonderful pens to write on a darker surface. They have lovely opaque ink and really, really juicy to write with. So I'm just going to write a quote and let's see how it works. This is Faux style calligraphy. I'll be thickening the downstrokes and leaving the upstrokes as it is. So just be careful, these pens smudge a little, so we don't want to touch them while they are wet. So it just takes like 5-7 seconds to dry up, so just be careful with that. Also, while doing Faux calligraphy, keep your font a little spread out than you usually are used to writing, so that you have time and space enough to, give this extra stroke. That I have written on photography. I keep writing some of my philosophies, and that was the reason I started learning calligraphy. So yeah.